Welcome to the Learn English with Purpose channel. Today's topic is the boat journey of Sunny. Let's explore and develop our speaking skills together. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat.
Tom was a young boy who lived in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and a winding river. Every day, after school, he would eagerly dash back to his home, drop his heavy backpack, and make a beeline for his favorite spot by the riverbank. Tom's favorite possession in the whole world was a little wooden boat that he had lovingly crafted with his father. He named it Sunny because it reminded him of bright, cheerful days. Tom's closest friend, Lucy, lived just a stone's throw away, and she often joined him by the river. One sunny afternoon, Tom and Lucy decided it was time for a grand adventure with Sunny. Gently, they lowered Sunny into the river, and with a little push, it began to glide downstream. Tom and Lucy giggled with excitement as they followed along the riverbank, watching Sunny navigate the gentle currents. Sunny's journey took them on a delightful ride. It passed through a dense forest, where birds chirped and leaves rustled overhead. The boat continued, passing meadows filled with colorful wildflowers. The water shimmered like a sea of diamonds beneath the warm sun. Tom and Lucy were filled with awe as they watched their small boat journey through nature's wonders. They chatted and laughed, sharing stories and dreams. Sunny sailed for miles until it reached a magnificent meadow, bathed in the soft hues of the setting sun. It was a magical place, filled with vibrant flowers, playful butterflies, and the sweet sound of birdsong. Tom and Lucy decided it was the perfect spot for a picnic. They spread a checkered blanket under the shade of an ancient oak tree and unpacked sandwiches, juicy apples, and homemade cookies. As they munched on their delicious treats, they talked about the exciting adventures they had shared with Sunny. When the time came to leave, Tom and Lucy gently lifted Sunny out of the water and carried it back to the village. They promised each other more adventures and unforgettable moments in the days to come. That evening, as Tom lay in his cozy bed, he closed his eyes and thought about the incredible journey he had shared with Sunny and Lucy. His heart swelled with happiness as he drifted off to sleep, eager for the many more childhood adventures that awaited him. And so, in the small village, Tom's childhood days continued to be filled with simple joys, laughter, and the enchanting adventures of the little wooden boat named Sunny.